Are you looking for the best laptops under $600? In this video we will look at some of the best laptops under $600. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 4. Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5. If you prefer a 2-in-1 tablet, consider the Lenovo Chromebook Duet 5, 2021. It's an excellent choice for media consumption and web browsing, offering a compact, lightweight design and a battery life of 10 to 11 hours. You can detach the keyboard for easier use as a tablet or to save space, making it convenient in tight areas. Its OLED display is sharp, colorful, and bright enough to handle indoor glare. Just know that OLEDs suffer from burn-in when displaying static elements, so vary the content. The device supports pen input and provides a storage spot for the stylus on the back cover, though you may need to purchase the stylus separately. As expected with budget devices, there are a few drawbacks. The keyboard feels cramped and uncomfortable to type on, and the touchpad is small and sometimes unresponsive. We recommend using wireless headphones if you want to get a good audio experience when consuming content, as the built-in speakers sound boxy, with no bass whatsoever, and there isn't a 3.5mm headphone jack. Speaking of ports, this device has only 2 USB-C ports, so a dock or dongle might be necessary if you want to connect multiple wired peripherals. Number 3. Acer Chromebook Plus 516GE. The best gaming Chromebook we've tested is the Acer Chromebook 516GE, 2024. Like the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714, 2024, above, this device's MSRP is usually over $650, but it's more often on sale for under $600 than it is at the regular price, so if you miss the sale, you likely won't have to wait long before the price drops again. As for the device, this is a cloud gaming Chromebook that relies on services like NVIDIA GeForce Now, which do all the processing on their servers and stream the image to your device. You can play games from the Google Play Store, but some titles might not run properly or at all, with many lacking keyboard, mouse, or controller support. The laptop itself feels pretty well built, and while it's a little bulky, it's still relatively easy to carry around. It has a 120Hz QHD Plus display with a good response time, so you get a clear image in fast-paced, movement-heavy games. There's Wi-Fi 6E and an Ethernet port for a fast and stable internet connection, which is crucial for a good cloud gaming experience. Battery life will depend on the type of game. You can get about 5 hours when playing locally processed games, but you can likely get around 8 hours when playing via a cloud gaming service since it's more similar to video streaming. Number 2. Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714. Our best under $600 Chromebook pick is the Acer Chromebook Plus Spin 714, 2024, a 14-inch 2-in-1 convertible. The base model's MSRP is $700, but it's often on sale. It has a compact design that makes it easy to carry around, and its battery lasts easily through a typical school or workday. The overall user experience is surprisingly good for a Chromebook. It has a nice FHD Plus display, a comfortable keyboard, and an excellent 1440p webcam. The display gets bright enough to combat glare in well-lit settings, and since this is a 2-in-1 convertible, you can flip the screen around and use it as a tablet. Its 2 USB-C ports support Thunderbolt 4s, and there's even an HDMI port to connect an external monitor. For under $600, the regular price is $699 but goes on sale often. You can get a model sporting an Intel Core Ultra 5 115U CPU paired with 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. The Core Ultra 5 is more than adequate to handle everything you can do on a Chrome OS device, like web browsing, text processing, and video playback. One last note, if you're new to Chromebooks, know that most applications that run on Windows and Mac OS don't work on Chrome OS, so you must ensure you can do everything through a Chrome browser or Android app. Number 1. ASUS Vivobook 16M1605. The ASUS Vivobook 16M1605, 2023, is the best laptop under $600 we've tested. It's a Windows Ultra portable designed for general productivity. Though entirely plastic, this 16-inch model feels pretty sturdy build-wise. Its large display looks reasonably sharp and gives you plenty of room for multitasking. The screen gets reasonably bright, so you shouldn't have visibility issues unless you have bright light shining directly on the display. A minor complaint about the display is that it looks slightly washed out, a typical downside of budget models. The keyboard is a pleasure to type on, as the keys have a good amount of travel, require little force to actuate, and provide satisfying tactile feedback. Performance-wise, this laptop's AMD Ryzen processor will have no problems handling things like web browsing, media consumption, spreadsheets, and presentations. We recommend heavy multitaskers get a model with 16 GB of memory. If you can't find a model with 16 GB, you can upgrade the memory yourself via the standard SODIMM slot. Its battery life is okay at around 8 hours, so depending on your use, you might need to plug it in via USB-C to get through a typical school or workday. Port selection is decent, just remember that the USB-C doesn't support video output, meaning you'll have to rely on the HDMI port to connect an external monitor.